Today I am going to discuss another mathematical riddle, or you can say it mathematical puzzle, whatever you want to say it. So focus over that board here. I am drawing an equation here. So that is 52 minus 15 equal to 2. This is the first row of equation. Okay. Now 35 minus 11 equal to 15. This is second row of equation. 75 minus 71 equal to 5. This is third row of equation. 16 minus 21 equal to 3. This is fourth row of equation. And now 14 minus 12. You have to find which particular number will appear in place of question mark. This is row number 5. So just dive onto the solution first. From first row of equation, how if we get this type of if you get so if you get this type of equation during your exam, how you will be able to solve it? It's up to you how you have practiced it. So now I am showing the way how to solve this particular one. Okay, there are different such type of equations you can come across while you are going to practice hard for your exams. Okay, so from first row of equation, what we get? 52 minus 15 equal to 2. How you subtract 15 from 52 to get 2? In general, it is not possible. There are some different definite logics. So the logic is, I am unfurling the logic here. The logic is 5 into 2 minus 1 into 5. Sorry. So 5 into 2. So what is the actual logic? What is the tricks? The trick is just think every figure as a digit. That is 5 2 is consists of 2 digits, 5 and 2. Similarly 15, the number, think every number as combination of some digits. That is the trick. 15 is a combination of 2 digits, 1 and 5. So what we get? Just multiply 5 into 2 equal to 10 by 1 into 5, 5 equal to 2. Got it? Similarly, from equation 2, if we think the number 35 as 2 digits, 3 and 5, similarly 1 and 1 for 11, multiply 3 into 5 divided by the multiplication of 1 into 1. So 15 by 1 equal to 15. Similarly from row 3, it will be 75, that is 7 into 5 by 71, 7 into 1, 35 by 7. The same logic will be applied in case of row 4, and finally I am coming to row 5. 40, consider is 2 digits, 4 and 0. So 4 into 0 divided by 1 into 2. 12 as 1 into 2. So 0 by 2 equal to 0. So question mark will be replaced by 0 to complete the series. Hope you have understand this. Okay. So thanks for your time. Practice it hard. I will come up with different solution in my next video. Till then, bye bye.